Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. Getting an error while installing Zangi Messenger? Don't worry, here are a few quick fixes that actually work. First, you need to make sure you have a stable internet connection. Switch from mobile data to Wi-Fi or vice versa and try downloading again. Second, clear Play Store cache and data. For that, open your settings, scroll down and find this option called Apps and tap on it. Use the search icon at the top right and search Google Play Store. Here it is. Scroll down and go to storage and then tap clear cache and then clear data. This removes temporary glitches that block app downloads. And also check your phone's storage. For that, you need to go a few steps back and then scroll down. Here find this option called storage. Mine is under device care, so I'll tap on this. If it's full, delete a few unused apps or videos. Zangi needs enough free space to install properly. And if it still does not work, try updating your Play Store or App Store. For that, open your Play Store, tap on this profile icon at the top right, scroll down and go to Settings, and here go to About section, scroll down and tap Update Play Store. Then restart your device and try installing Zangi again. You can also get Zangi directly from their official website at zangi.com/downloads. Make sure you only use trusted sources, and that's it. Try these steps and your Zangi app should install without any error. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.